Okay, say hi to the camera.
Oh my god, I haven't put on my makeup yet.
So what's the plan for today? Give us a quick summary.
I don't know.
You organized it, you should know.
We woke up at 6 a.m. To fly from Manila to Bohol. It's about a 1 hour, 30-minute flight. Now we're at the Tarzan Sanctuary. We have to keep our voice down because if you scream, they can literally fall out of the tree and die. So let's keep it quiet.
Can I have anything to say?
Yes, I have a lot to say. This is a very good deal for 500 pesos. I ate a lot of food. I'm very full. The scenery is beautiful. I recommend you come check out this river cruise.
What's the name of the river cruise?
It's called the Labuan River Cruise.
Did you get commission?
LOBOC. No commission. I really enjoyed this cruise.
Yeah.
Great value.
Yeah, we had a good
Recommend you
time.
come. Bohol, Philippines.
Yeah.
Make the trip over.
We're about to go on the hanging bridge. As you can see here, it's made out of completely bamboo. Can you guys see? It's made out of completely bamboo. It's about, I would say, maybe 5 or 6 stories from the water. So if we fall, we'll get pretty wet. So let's go. It's very wobbly.
Yeah, that's cool. That's the point.
You gotta be careful. It's a long drop.
Time for ATV rides.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
Well, right now we're at the top of the mountain, top of the Chocolate Hills. As you can see here, it's very beautiful. It's called the Chocolate Hills because each hill is dark chocolatey in color. Right now it's not that dark, but in a month or two it will become much darker. We're gonna end up top over here somewhere.
Broken by a tree.
Yep, it's blocked by a tree right now, but we'll get there soon.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Welcome to Chocolate Hills entrance. Look, it's a very hard hike.
Look how far we've come.
Sorry?
Look how far we've come.
Yeah. What an achievement. Oh, wow.
We came to the Chocolate Hills after 1 hour of ATV adventures. Look, I mean, if you check out our shoes, they're so muddy. I got. Can you see? I got the ATV stuck in mud multiple times.
And then you can see that on Gavin's
Look at my-
neck and face, chin, neck.
Everywhere. I had it a lot on my hands too, but I washed it off. But after the ATV, we came to the Chocolate Hills. Pretty beautiful, isn't it?
Well, you need to show them. Look at this
jumping like this till we're taking off. They be hugging and kissing, you feel the love. Oh, I feel the love. Cause I know it's all when I got you next to me. I know we're gonna bring good time. It's the way we always been.
We're starting our descent down the mountain now.
When I got you next to me, I know we're gonna bring good time. It's the way we always been. I know it's only good vibes.
We're coming to the end of the hike of the Chocolate Hills right now, and we're about to wrap up our day and head back to the Airbnb. So we'll see you guys in a few minutes and show you around the Airbnb.
That's how we go. Who are they to even judge? All I know is this ain't a show. You and me just having fun. Cause when we're pumping our fists and we fired up, we get them jumping like this till we're taking off. They be hugging and kissing, you feel the love. Oh, I feel the love. Cause I know it's only good vibes when I got you